Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to add Snapchat story from camera roll. So I will show the step by step process. It should work on your Android as well as iOS device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat apps. From here you have to click on right side this icon, then it will take you the snaps and the camera roll. From here you have to click on camera roll. From here, if you want to add any images in your Snapchat story, I'm selecting this image as my Snapchat story. After that, I'm clicking in this icon. If you wish, you can add anything here. Hello, then you have to click on the my stories, then it will add to your story on Snapchat. So I'm just clicking OK, then this add as your Snapchat story. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.